Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I think I went too far into the mines because, what is this? I'm not gonna explore down there yet. I wanna get these because I'm saving up. Why all these mines? Okay, now I guess we can see where this leads. I don't remember this one. Yep. We're in hell. Well, I guess this was, I guess this is a shortcut. Or like an easier way to get to hell. Because, like, usually another destination, like, you gotta, like,